We can see the team has got all the existing floors off, and there was a subfloor underneath those floors, and there's these weird sleepers underneath that. So a little bit of an unusual situation. So we will be working on getting the sleepers up and go over top of everything with some floor leveler prior to applying the tile that's going to go on this main floor. But I mean, fantastic progress on the demolition work. Definitely on the right track here. Let's go and have a look at some of the other areas of the home. Here we are in the foyer of this beautiful home. It doesn't look like much of a foyer right now. We have framed a floor above us. We've done that to make the site safer for the people working on it, make it faster for the people working on it, so we have access, and easy access to effect changes to the ceiling above us, which would otherwise be, 16 feet in the air, whatever, 18 feet in the air. So this just makes life easier and faster for everybody, and most importantly, safer. Okay, here we are upstairs. This is that floor that I was talking about earlier. That is where the team is working right now. We've just pulled down all of the insulation from the attic this week. That all gets bagged up and recycled. It's looking, again, like more of nothing, but certainly we're making steps to move this project forward and get these owners back into their home. Okay, here we are downstairs. Again, more nothing. We are getting very close to being able to start moving forward. We've got a lot of steel that we have to figure out. We've got some big footings that are going to be going on the ground here. Steel in the ceiling above me. There's already steel above me, but there's going to be even more just to achieve the design that we've come up with for this phenomenal home. It's a lot of work to go backwards before we can move forwards, but it's really, really starting to look good and be ready to start moving forward. So I'm excited to continue to show you the progress that happens at this address. This is going to be an extraordinarily special project. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.